AESTURA Atobarrier 365 Capsule Toner feels more like a hydrating treatment than a basic toner. The watery formula contains tiny ceramide capsules that burst into the skin while patting, giving deep hydration without a greasy finish. It instantly helps with dryness, tightness after cleansing, flaky texture, and damaged skin barrier, making it especially good for dry and sensitive skin types. The texture feels silky, lightweight, and calming while still leaving the skin soft and healthy looking. The formula focuses on barrier repair and hydration with ceramides, derma-oil technology, hyaluronic acid, and gentle PHA water. Ceramides help strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture, while PHA softly smooths rough texture without harsh exfoliation. Unlike strong acid toners, this one is mainly about soothing and protecting the skin. To use, shake the bottle lightly so the capsules mix evenly, then apply after cleansing using your hands or a cotton pad. Gently pat into the skin instead of wiping so the capsules can melt and absorb properly. It layers beautifully under serums and creams and works best for people dealing with dehydration, sensitivity, overexfoliation, or weakened skin barriers. Overall, this is a great barrier-focused toner if your skin feels dry, irritated, or stressed. If you have very oily skin, it may feel slightly rich for daily layering, but for normal, dry, and sensitive skin, it gives a healthy, hydrated glow without stickiness.